Do you fancy learning some watercolour techniques? Well, my quick tip for today is going to be using a bit of kitchen roll in your hand. Why? Let me show you what I mean. Now, the little tip is kitchen roll. Now, I know it sounds very basic, but it's something that I use on a daily basis when I'm painting, I really do. And all it simply is a little bit of kitchen roll, and I will fold it once, twice, 3 times, and then that is always in my hand. Majority of the time I've got it in my hand. So when I'm doing a painting or something like that, I can very easily just get a corner and just dab off a little bit of paint or a bit of water if it kind of drops onto the painting. So when you're doing a nice big painting and you drop a big globule of water on there, you go, no! What can you do? You've already got the tissue at hand. You can very lightly use a corner of it and lift that water droplet off. So something I know quite basic, but having a piece of tissue, a piece of kitchen roll in your hand is very, very handy. If you'd like to see more watercolour painting tips, head to patreon.com/thedevonartist and you'll see my full list of step-by-step video tutorials on how to paint wildlife in watercolour, where you get also the project photo, the outline drawing for that month's project as well, and even a step-by-step handwritten or hand-typed by me full PDF on that particular current month's project. So come and join me and let's get painting together. And don't forget to click on like, subscribe and share, and please leave a comment down below as well. I'd love to kind of hear your thoughts and find out what you've been up to on your painting ventures. So until next time, bye bye for now.